Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Worx WG163 and want to switch between trimmer mode and edger mode, it might seem a little confusing the first time, especially if you're not sure which part rotates or locks into place. Many users try forcing it and worry about breaking something, but the design is actually very user-friendly once you understand the mechanism. This tool is built to quickly transform from trimming grass to creating clean lawn edges, saving you time and effort. The best thing is that with just a simple adjustment, you can switch modes in seconds and get a more professional looking lawn. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the trimmer and disconnect the battery for safety. Step 2. Hold the shaft and locate the rotation or pivot button. Step 3. Press the button and rotate the head 90 degrees. Step 4. Adjust the guide wheel to support edging position. Step 5. Release the button to lock the head securely in place. Step 6. Reattach the battery and start trimming or edging as needed.